Hey guys, I'm Kate Bihm. I'm a family law attorney in Montgomery County, Texas, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the division of property in a divorce. The other thing that I want to talk to you about when it comes to the property division in your divorce and the net value of your marital estate is when people really are afraid that they don't have a clear understanding of what they have and what they owe. I've represented clients where once we got into their divorce, they realized that their spouse had taken on an enormous amount of debt or had actually taken on debt in their name, and that even though they had been living really high on the hog, they just didn't have that net value that they thought that they had, and that can be terrifying. And it can feel like a real betrayal. I have also had clients who found out during their divorce that they were a lot wealthier than they realized. I'm thinking about this one mediation that I was in where my client looked at me and was like, I've been coloring my hair with box dye for the last 5 years, and we have millions of dollars in the bank. This has to be a joke. And it happens both ways, y'all. I also have clients occasionally who come in who they have a spouse that runs a small business, and they think that because the business doesn't make that much money, it doesn't have a lot of value. And so they're really hesitant to spend a lot of money to figure out how much that business is worth. We have valued businesses where the parties were living a normal life, not wealthy, but comfortable. And they thought, well, we don't make that much money, so why would I spend money to get the business valued? Only to find out that the business was worth millions of dollars that the court needed to consider as part of their divorce. I've also had cases where you had a partner who was a business owner, but the vast majority of the value in their business was their personal goodwill, which means the business owner's reputation in the community and what the business owner brought to the business. I always use my own law firm as an example. If my husband wanted to divorce me and came to me and said, I want half of the value in your law firm in this divorce, I would look at him and say, great, you can have all of it. I quit. And then move down and, open the Bihm firm PLLC 2 down the street and take all of my clients with me. And that means the business isn't worth that much money, y'all. So these are the types of things that your lawyer needs to understand and the types of issues that your lawyer needs to be able to spot as part of their advice to you in, one, what level of services and what amount of time and effort is valuable to spend in determining what is the net value of your marital estate. And two, where to look to find this information and how to get it.